Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore or recover deleted posts on Instagram in just a few taps. Let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Next, head over to the top right corner and tap on the hamburger menu icon. A bunch of options will pop up. Find your activity and give it a tap. Under the Removed and Archived Content section, you'll see Recently Deleted. Click on that. The list of your deleted posts will appear. Find the post you want to bring back and tap on it to open. See those three dots in the corner? Tap on those. Options will show up. Click on Restore. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Restore again to confirm, and boom! Your post is back on your profile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.